Ever wondered what happens when an AI company tries to rebuild the internet from the ground up? Cursor just dropped Origin, a new code hosting platform. And the timing? Well, let's just say the tech world thinks it was almost poetic. It launched exactly as GitHub was spiraling into a massive multi-hour outage. For 18 years, choosing where to host code has been very boring back office decision of engineering. Cursor just made it the front page battle of the AI era. Cursor has now officially unveiled Origin, what they are calling a GitForge for the agentic era. This isn't just another place to store repositories. Origin is a platform built directly into the Cursor IDE, designed specifically for teams or AI agents. It in fact allows you to create repositories, manage pull requests, and browse code without ever leaving your editor. While it syncs with GitHub, acting as a mirror so you don't have to abandon your old workflows, the platform is fundamentally built for a world where AI agents, not just humans, are committing, they are branching and merging code in parallel. Now, here of course is the real strategic pivot. Our current source controls tools like GitHub were built for a human-centric world. One PR, one human, one review at a time. But we are moving into an era of swarms, when you have fleets of agents cloning, rebasing, and pushing code autonomously. Traditional GitHub workflows become a major bottleneck. Cursor is betting that the infrastructure underneath the software development loop needs to change. By controlling the IDE, the coding agent, and now the hosting repository, Cursor is attempting to collapse the entire software lifecycle, which is coding, reviewing, merging, and deploying into one single vertically integrated AI software factory. Now, this launch is the first major product update since Cursor's parent company, Anosphere, was acquired by SpaceX in a $60 billion deal. This isn't just about an editor anymore, it's about control. By owning the hosting layer, Cursor can optimize for things GitHub cannot. Faster, parallel merges for agents, automated conflict resolution, and tighter integration with their cloud-based sandboxes. So if your agents are doing the heavy lifting, why would you want to wait on an external human-optimized provider like GitHub to catch up? Now, of course, there's a cautionary tale that follows this. Not everyone is rushing to move their private code bases to an AI-native host. Skeptics are, in fact, raising the alarm on two fronts: trust and control. With SpaceX ownership and recent headlines about xAI's data practices, developers are asking, can we guarantee our private code is not being used to train the next model? And while Cursor makes it easy to sync from GitHub, they are effectively building a migration wedge. They are hoping that once you experience the speed of an agent-native Forge, you really don't have to go back to the legacy way of doing things. Ladies and gentlemen, here, of course, is the front page take on the story. Is this a GitHub killer? I would say not today. GitHub is built on years of trust, compliance, and developer muscle memory that Cursor simply hasn't earned yet. But at the same time, Cursor is not really trying to beat GitHub at being a better human platform. They are essentially betting that the future of coding is so automated that the human version won't really matter. They are building the infrastructure for a world where software writes itself. The question for your dev team isn't, should we switch? It is, are we ready for an AI-first workflow that bypasses the traditional guardrails? Let us know what you think in the comments below. Is Origin the future of the dev stack, or is it a security nightmare waiting to happen? This, ladies and gentlemen, is Front Page by AM Network. Like, share, and subscribe, and always remember, think AI, think AI.